altın. Böyle gel efendim. Evet, lütfen. Yüksek sesle teşekkür ederiz.
Hi Ram, how are you?
Hi Mustafa, I am good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing?
I am studying for my English exam.
Is it difficult?
Yes, it is.
Will you like something?
Yes, please, some water, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Do you want to go to a cafe after you study?
I don't know. I am going to get up early tomorrow. I have the exam at 9 in the morning.
Okay, let me know if you need anything.
Sure, thanks.
What time?
What time is the dinner going to be ready?
I don't know. I think it is ready now. Let me ask my mom.
Güzel.
Okay, I am coming.
Good.